Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am finally back with a wig tutorial. I haven't done a wig tutorial in months, so I'm excited because I am working with Asteria hair. You guys have seen me show you guys them on my channel before. They have really good quality human hair. So let's just get straight into it. They did send me over their body wave U-part wig. It is a 20-inch, and if you guys have known before, like past videos, I love some body wave textured hair. Okay, I just feel like it's so pretty, the texture, everything. And I love U-part wigs because they make a really good protective style. You only have to leave out just a little bit of your hair and you're on the go. It looks like you got a fresh sew-in type of look. So yeah, I'm super excited to be showing you guys this U-part wig for them. So let's get straight into this. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post. And let's do this, y'all. So comes in this bag. It says Asteria hair, human hair wig. And like I said, I picked out their 20-inch body wave wig. And on their website, they do have different textures for their U-part wigs. So if you're not into body wave, they have like straight and I believe curly. But I will have everything in the description box for you guys, plus a discount code, because you guys know I always let you guys save some money. So included in here, I always love the goodies that the companies include. They included some lashes, edge control brush. I feel like you can never go wrong with one of those. The actual hair, so let me pull that out for y'all. So it comes already packaged, and it says 20 inches, the cap size is medium, and the hair density is 180%. I'm excited because I haven't had no hair in a while, y'all. I low-key manifested this this sponsorship because I was like, I haven't had no hair. I don't have any hair. I need some fresh wigs because it's holiday season and I'm trying to look good for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, all that. So here it is. So pretty, fresh, just fresh. I love some fresh hair, body wave. I love that it's not pin straight because since I have like naturally, as you guys can see, this is my real hair, so I have naturally textured hair. So I love body wave for that. And I always love when the U-part wig has these clips because I'll have a more secure fit, and then the combs on the side, and then the adjustment band at the bottom. And another thing with these wigs, usually when I wear a U-part wig, I only straighten my leave out and the rest of my hair is usually natural and I just put it in braids. But right now it is straight hair season for me, so my hair is straightened right now, but I'll still be able to put this on and switch up my look even if I'm wearing my real hair. So yeah, also included is wig caps if you need that, and then like a little band. I think this is for when you're trying to lay your edges, I believe. I think that's what this is. It's those little edge bands. So let's go ahead and get into this install. I really love U-part wigs because they're so easy to install. And all I need to do first is just cut off this little band for my leave out. So I'm gonna cut it off and then we're gonna come back and get to installing this hair, girl. Okay, so from watching other tutorials before, I did see that some people will rock a side part with their U-part wigs, but you have to like adjust it in a certain way. But for me personally, I'm just gonna be rocking a middle part because usually with my wigs, like U-part wigs, I'm a middle part type of girl because I have a certain method I like to follow that just makes it easier to blend. So right now I'm preparing the leave out part, so you're gonna part your hair basically in a U shape. Oh my god, is that a gray hair? I have one gray hair now. Okay. My scalp is a little flaky if you guys didn't already know. If you're new here, I have scalp psoriasis, so my hair gets a little flaky. But this is the U shape, and I've installed so many U-part wigs that I just know by heart how much hair to leave out. So you want to leave out about this much hair. And usually underneath my wigs, when I am wearing these as like my protective styles and my hair is usually in its natural state, to grow my hair long underneath my wigs, I always use my Lattice Curls products. It's my brand and it's always linked in the description box. So if you're looking for products to, you know, get your hair healthy and growing while you're rocking your wigs, check out my business. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and braid so that the hair has something to like hook on to. And I'm not the best braider, so yeah, but I'm gonna stop rambling and fast forward through this. And this is the same thing I usually do when my hair is in its natural state, like curly. I just put 2 braids and then yeah, so it's really the same thing. When my hair is straight, I'll do the 2 braids, and when it's curly, I'll do the 2 braids, and then I'll just take a bobby pin and crisscross my hair so that it can be as flat as possible when you put your wig in, because you don't want it all bulky. All right. Okay, so next I'm just gonna take a wig cap that I already have. Oh, dang. Make sure your bobby pin is like secured good. It usually doesn't slip when my hair is natural, you know? Like it has a better grip, but I'm just covering it. Okay, and like I said, I already cut the band, so you just go ahead and unhook your clips. And then clip it around your head. And the more you install U-part wigs, the more you kind of know how you want your braids to be and how you want it to anchor. So make sure you put the clips in on the side too. All right. Let me re-clip this. Sometimes you gotta re-clip it and make sure you know. So this is the hair before we get into blending, but so pretty. Ooh, y'all, I missed having some fresh hair. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and taking my hair. Now, like I said, if your hair was already just natural, then you would create this leave out and then you would just, you know, blow dry your hair and straighten it so that you can get to this point. So now I'm going to go ahead. Okay, I'm back. So right now I'm heating up the flat iron because I'm going to just show you guys like some different ways to style the hair. But this is my no heat way that I usually like to do it first. And this is usually my go-to for this hair, especially with U-part wigs and you're not trying to have a hard time blending the hair. This is my go-to. So I do a middle part, right? And then I take the leave out and I bring it back and I make sure it's laying flat. So let me make sure this is in good. Make sure it's laying flat. And I take it towards the back. And then I take a bobby pin and I pin it. And then I bring the hair to the front. So that's my little no heat method I like to do. And then I just do the same thing on the other side. And also make sure you bring some hair to like cover the track for the U part. So leave some hair back there. And then do the same for this side. Bring it to the back. And this is usually how I wear it, because then I don't have to deal with putting too much heat on my hair. I don't have to deal with trying to blend the two textures, like bada bing, bada boom. And this is usually how I wear it. I gotta bat my flakes out, I'm sorry y'all. And then usually I would do my edges too. But sometimes I don't really be laying my edges no more. It's pretty optional. But this is the look, you know? And then I feel like it blends really good like this. And then you could straighten this hair if you wanted to. If you didn't want to leave it body wave, just straighten it so you can get a nice sleek look. Or you can throw some curls in here and it'll look really, really good. So this is what it looks like. And this is why U-part wig is my go-to. Like if you really want to limit the amount of heat and like get a good protective style going, you know, your natural hair is going to be underneath. Use my Lavish Curls hair growth products when you're when you're braiding up your hair. Install your wig and then just do this method of just tucking it, because you should only need to straighten your hair one time if you're doing like the, you know, less heat method like I do. And then go, like, it's my go-to, and this is how I'm going to be wearing it for the holiday season. Ooh, I just got an order for my business too. That's how I'm going to be wearing it for the holiday season. So I'm going to show you guys another super cute look really quick. What you're going to do is curl your hair. Now this is going to take a little bit more time and effort. You can use a regular a regular curling wand if you want to, but I'm just going to use my flat iron, because a lot of the times I just use my flat iron to, you know, create some curls. So I have the Babyliss, and what you're going to do is take it, ooh, it's hot. Okay, take it, and then curl it around. So as you guys can see, it creates a little curl. I feel like for this hair, it might be easier to use an actual curling wand, because my hair is textured, like I said, my natural hair, so I feel like it holds the curl of a flat iron a little bit better. But it's doing it for the most part. So I'm just adding in these little loose curls. This hair is really gorgeous, you guys. It feels nice and soft. You know how some wigs you get and they have that weird smell? This doesn't have any type of weird smell, so I'm glad about that. Like, it's just so pretty. And you guys know, I used to love rocking body wave hair straight out the box, but I'm starting to like my hair curled or just straight, so that's why today I didn't mind to show you guys like a little extra. But I'm gonna fast forward because you guys know I just be rambling now. All right, and then you're just taking your real hair and you're gonna curl it as well. So that's how I do it if I wanted an actual leave out, and then it looks cute, you know. So any other day, like during the fall and winter time, because I'm gonna be wearing this wig a lot, okay? So during this time a lot, I'm going to be doing the method where I just tuck the hair, you get me, like I showed you guys first. But on actual like Thanksgiving and Christmas, I will do this style where it's like more dressy, a little bit more going out looking. I feel like the other style is more like everyday look, and then this is good for like special events like holiday parties, going out somewhere nice, dinner, that kind of stuff. Then I'll rock this style. This hair is so pretty, you guys. I'm so glad I got me some hair in time for the holidays. Because I don't want to straighten my real hair all the time, you know? Like, I want to limit the amount of heat. And plus, wigs really helped my hair grow a lot. Like, just wearing wigs as my protective style, along with using my hair growth products, it made my hair grow so much and flourish. That's why I was like, ooh, I hope somebody send me a U-part wig or something. And it's good too, because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like traditional sew-ins are starting to come back in style. A lot of girls aren't wearing like the lace front wigs anymore. So this gives you that traditional sew-in look, because it's, you know, your natural hairline, it's some hair left out. And I feel like the U-part wigs and the V-part wigs are really about to make a comeback, or be really popular now, like a top seller, because that's just the look people are going for now. And U-part wigs give you that look. My neighbor is like literally leaving out of his house. You guys could probably hear him. All right, y'all, let me back it up. So this is the look. So pretty. So pretty, like bomb quality. Alright guys, make sure you check out Asteria hair. I will have all their information linked in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.